A very good morning. Welcome to News Flash. This is your host Mansi Yadav with today's biggest news stories across India and world. Let's begin the bulletin. The news is from India, where India's headline inflation is expected to average 3.5% in fiscal year 2025 and 26, down from 4.6% last year. According to a CRISIL report released on Wednesday, the decline is largely attributed to healthy agricultural production, which is likely to keep food prices under control. CRISIL noted that favorable monsoon conditions and improved crop yields across key commodities will help ease food inflation, a major contributor to overall price pressure. Stable fuel prices and moderate demand-side pressure are also expected to support the moderation in headline inflation. While global commodity fluctuations remain a risk, domestic supply-side factors including efficient procurement and distribution of essentials are likely to mitigate sharp price swings. Analysts say stable inflation could give the Reserve Bank of India room to maintain accommodative monetary policy while supporting economic growth. Now we are talking about Russia, where small groups of Russian forces advanced deeper into eastern Ukraine on Tuesday, just before the summit between President Vladimir Putin and US President Donald Trump. European leaders fear the meeting could impose peace terms favoring Russia, further reducing Ukraine's territory. Kyiv warned that these incursions endanger civilians and border stability. While analysts say Russia is strengthening its position ahead of negotiations, European officials stress that Ukraine's sovereignty must be respected, and the international community is closely monitoring developments. As tensions rise, Ukraine's military is reinforcing defenses and calling for greater international support, highlighting the high stakes of the upcoming summit. Now let's take a look at India, where Bharatiya Krishak Samaj President Krishan Bir Chaudhary has launched the government's proactive measures to support farmers, cattle rearers and fishermen, highlighting the steps taken to shield them from economic pressures such as rising tariffs. He particularly praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi's strong message that India will never compromise on the interests of farmers, calling it is a clear demonstration of the government's commitment to the agricultural community. Chaudhary emphasized that these initiatives not only help protect livelihood but also strengthen India's agricultural sector as a whole. According to him, the government's timely interventions reflect an understanding of the challenges faced by farmers and allied workers, ensuring that they remain resilient in the face of economic and market uncertainties. Now take a look at weather, where the news is from New Delhi. The India Meteorological Department has issued a flash flood risk warning for several regions across Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim. Today, very heavy rainfall is expected in some watersheds, with at least 180 millimeters of rain forecast in the next 24 hours. Areas including Shimla and Sirmaur in Himachal, multiple districts in Uttarakhand such as Almora and Uttarkashi, and districts in Bihar like Araria and Purnia face a low to moderate risk of flash floods. Similarly, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, including Darjeeling and Jalpaiguri, are also under alert. The IMD highlighted that soil saturation in many areas is between 85 to 99%, increasing the livelihood of surface runoff and localized flooding in low-lying zones. Rescue operations continue in Uttarkashi, where recent flash floods affected the Sukhi, Top and Harsil regions. Residents are advised to stay alert and take necessary precautions as heavy rainfall continues. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Have a nice day.